Hey, third grade. Today you guys are going to start working on some math projects, all right? And the first project that we're going to be working on is you're going to be building an array city. So there's a video giving you explanations of what the expectations for this project are. But before you watch that video, I wanted to just review arrays and different kinds of arrays, different sizes of arrays. So let me go ahead and do that, okay? So we use arrays to help us with addition or multiplication and division, okay? That's a really popular way that I know a lot of third graders like to multiply and divide. So this is just having you write the number sentence for each array. In your project, you're going to be creating arrays of different sizes and that represent different multiplication sentences. So that's why I just want to practice this, all right? So this array has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? 6 times 7. This array, which equals 42. This array is 1, 2, 3 times 1, 2, 3, which equals, and if I needed to figure out what it equaled, I would just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right? This next array, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7 times 8 equals, does anyone know what 7 times 8 equals? $56. 1, 2, 3, 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which equals 20. Awesome. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6 times 8 equals 48. And I'm doing 6 times 7, 3 times 3, 7 times 8, 4 times 5, 6 times 8, because I have 6 rows, meaning 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And in each one of those rows, there's 8. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rows times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Times 10 in each row. 5 times 10 equals 50. Good. What is this one going to be? What array is this, or what multiplication sentence, number sentence is number 7? Goes with number 7. Good. 3 times 6, which equals 18. What about number 8? Number 8, what's the multiplication sentence for that one? Good. 1 times 7. I only have one row, and there's 7 in each row, which equals 7. Number 9. Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 rows times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 in each row. 9 times 7 equals 72. Beautiful job. Okay, number 10. 3 times 7, which equals 21. Number 11. Good. 3 times 5, which equals 15. You guys are getting the hang of this. Number 12. 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Which equals 36. All right, so let me go through and show you the rest of this lesson. All right, so you're going to watch this video, and this video gives you the instructions on how to complete this assignment. This assignment is a different set of Google Slides, okay? This project is intended to take you 2 days. You do not have to have it completed today, but it must be completed by tomorrow, okay? So it doesn't have to be completed today, but it has to be completed tomorrow. All right? Have fun.